This is a 1928 Star. This is Billy Durant's answer to the Ford Model A. Well, the body frame is actually wood. That's the way they did it back then. And the engine's actually produced in 1927, so that makes it 93 years old. And a new run was into cars, so we were talking one day, and I knew this had been sitting in the garage for a couple of years.
Right.
So he told me what was wrong, and I said, well, let's tear it down, clean it up, put it back together.
Actually, when we were very surprised, took that thing apart, and it looked like it just been done.
So I was asking about a place to get some sandblasting done, and he said, we just had a manifold done by this outfit, and he said it really came out nice. So actually I came over expecting sandblasting, but this will work fine. We need to do the whole car.